So hey guys, welcome back again in MUO Sigma classes, and in this video we are going to implement how you can make the list, like where you can swipe the list like this and you can do some operations using these two buttons. Alright guys, so in this video we are just going to implement just this list, like how we can swipe left and right and how we can manage the props in this package. So let's jump into the code. So here in this lecture we are going to discuss how we can swipe and we can delete the list. So here we have the package. So guys, here we need to type react native swipe list view, that's it, and just go here. So this is the package what we can use. So this is working like this, right? So let me just copy like this and go back to the code and just go to the terminal, and here I am at my React Native root folder. Just type this command, hit enter. So basically just we need to install this package only, React Native swipe list view. Alright guys, so the package is installed now, and go to the iOS to pod install like this, and that's it. That's the final. Alright guys, so go to the package, and here we have some of the examples, and let me just go to here, just copy this import first. Alright, go to here like this, and here we have this dot state dot list view data and array we have with the 20 length. Alright, so this is the map and all the stuff. Alright, not an issue, just copy this swipe list view. Alright, and then just go to here inside the render. Here we have this some called text, right? Let me just comment like this and just like this, put like this. Alright, so this is the list view data we need to maintain inside the state, and this will be the array type. Alright, so here we have the data. This is the first thing, this is the render item, this will be the view. Alright, so this will be the view only. Let me just set like this. Alright, okay, perfect. So let me just go to the simulator and just refresh the app once again and go here. Let me just check the terminal. This is working fine, and here we have nothing because our empty array. So let me make something called object here. Nothing is here, right? So this is this dot props or render, something is the issue is going on, style is not defined. Alright, so let me just go here. Alright, this is the style. Go back here, and where is the style? There is nothing called style here. That's fine, not an issue with this. Let's say padding, it's 10, and background color, or what I can say to you, just stay like this only, and this is data.item.next, right? So let me just delete this first. Alright, and here we have the left and right, right? Alright, so let's say we have the height. For now I'm just giving the height and width only 20, nothing else. Alright, everything is fine, perfect. Back here to the terminal. Alright, so this is, you can see guys, we have this list now. Alright, and this is swiping left and right. Alright, not an issue with this. Let me go back here in this, this view. I'm just putting some color, or what I can say, border width is, let's say 1, and border, that's it, border with 1. Let me just check the changes here. This one is the changes, right? Alright, okay, so this is the render hidden item. So let me just put some background color is let's say green. Alright, this is, you can see left and right, right? So we need to just give some width. Let's say it is 100%, Now we need to just check once again. So this is the width, right? So we have flex 0.5, but align atom is center, so that's why we are getting something different height, different width. So let me just calculate by its dimension. So let me use dimensions. All right, all right, dimension. So let me just calculate the dimension. So const width is equals to dimension dot let's say get, and what I need to find the screen. Let's say copy this width, go back here and just type like this, width. All right, so what is the issue? This is the issue, we are getting something different thing. All right, so this is the width and dot. We can use the window here, right? Window dot something, height we want. Not this is the width I want. Width like this. That's it. All right. So what is the issue? Width is not a function. Width is not a function. I want to use width. All right. I'm really sorry for this because I'm using multiple technology and multiple frameworks. So that's why getting confused. All right. So this is not an issue. This is the, you can see this is the list, right? So we are getting this left and right. All right. All right. So if I need to use here, it's a flex, let's say flex direction. Right, so I think this is perfect, fine. And let me just, let's say for example right now this is, you can see here. All right, so this is perfectly fine. All right, and all right, okay, for example this is 20, this is something big, right? So I want to make this old 10, but so if I'll make like 100, what will be the changes? It's 105, right? I'll make the changes like this, you can see here. If I'll make the changes like this, you can see here we are getting, on 105 you can see here we are, we are getting the view like this. All right, all right, okay. So if I'll make the changes like this, let's say 0, only we can swipe right, we cannot swipe left. So we can make our control here. So let's say there is, on this view I'm going to make a color. I'm going to put the color, let's say background color, let's say green. All right, all right, so this is the list you can see here right now. So if I will swipe right, then you can see we have this left and this right. All right, so let's say on press, if I'll call the function called alert, let's say this is blah blah blah, then if I'll swipe right and then if I'll click on the left, then you can see this alert, right? All right, so okay, perfectly fine. Now there is some kind of operation I want to do. Let's say I will have a multiple of list here and I want to delete that list data only. So I'll use some states and I'll use some data and I'll do some I'll do some operation on the list. So please watch my next video. In that video we'll find how you can delete the list item using just swap right, and then if you will click here, then you will be able to delete that data. And I'll also show you like how, if you want to do something called undo operation, where if you deleted something and you want to you want to take that data back, then in this scenario, when you will click on the undo button, then you will definitely get back your data. Alright guys, so I think this is enough for this lecture. Go and watch my next video, because in that video you will find amazing things. Alright guys, so please, if you like this video, please like this video, share this video,